Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong loop for beginner, and this Balisong loop named basic rollover loop. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use my Amazon Balisong trainer right here. So let's get started. And for the move, gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, to begin, we're gonna start with the bite handle, or it's okay, or you can start with the safe handle. If you start with the bite handle, when the first thing you do is the thumb rollover, like that. So that's gonna give you the safe handle, so it gave you the dual side of the blade. Alright, when you start with the safe handle and after that doing thumb rollover like this, so that's gonna give you the bite handle, so it's gonna give you the sharp side of the blade. So if you are using a live blade, so it is a little bit easier to practice with and start with the start with the bite handle, because when you're doing thumb rollover like that, that's gonna give you the safe handle. So you need to worry, because you won't cut yourself if you just learning like that. Alright, so right here I'm gonna teach you guys which start with the bite handle like this. And the first thing you do, like I said earlier, it is thumb rollover. Thumb rollover gonna be like this, like that. Instead you open your Balisong like this, just thumb rollover like this, and after doing thumb rollover and the wrist pass, and you're gonna doing a wrist pass to open your Balisong, so like this. So instead you open your Balisong with the wrist pass, just continue the wrist pass with rollover again. Continue the wrist pass with index rollover. So after, again from the beginning, after you're doing thumb rollover and wrist pass like this, so the thumb rollover, it is continued with the wrist pass. So after doing a wrist pass, prepare to put your index finger here, and doing, after you prepare your index finger like this, and prepare to do index rollover like that. So you're gonna end up in this position. So again, so that's one complete motion of the loop. So you're gonna start all over again from the thumb rollover like that. So that's, I'm gonna start doing thumb rollover again like this. Alright, thumb rollover, wrist pass continued with index finger rollover like that. That's one complete motion of the loop. So if you want to start with the bite handle. I'm sorry if you're gonna start with safe handle like this, it's okay. So it is similar, but yeah, the first thing you do is thumb rollover like that, and this position after you doing wrist pass. So you're gonna be careful because that gonna give you the bite handle. So that's gonna give you the sharp side of the blade. If you're using a live blade, so try to maintain that, so to avoid that using the wrist pass motion, so you won't cut yourself like that. So after the wrist pass like this, the same like before, prepare your index finger and continue the wrist pass like that with index rollover like that. Oops, I'm sorry. Yep. And so from the beginning, the move gonna be like this. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, this. Like that. Alright, that pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.